This sounds like a crisp beat.
Yeah, on double MG, I fuck a rapper's wife. She ain't even my type, but I'll make a sacrifice. Have her splitting thighs like she working Gladys Nice. Yeah, I was never nothing nice. Niggas know the real, secrets left in hidden hills. Bought the whole street up and I got it for a steal. Middleman lined it and I cut him out the deal. Turn cutthroat for real. I was on a ride while you boys are sitting still. I've been on a high while you boys are on the pills. And God forbid I die, man, you boys ain't on the wheel. Yeah. Hey. Cold world, baby girl, but I ain't from the Ville. Cold world, baby girl, but I ain't from the Ville. Not a politician, but I bet I pass a bill. Yeah. Niggas try to copy sound, but they never had to feel. Lucy and Amia just like Kobe and Shaquille, but we never even chill. And that's the reason going independent, it just never had a pill. Plus I blew up independent, Will blew up independent. I bought her an apartment so I knew her like a tenant. All the verses tailor-made for you to get offended. It was never unintended. String her ass along, I'll thread her through the needle. Backyard Tiger Woods worthy for the eagle. Number 2 and 3 is like Madonna and the Beatles. I ain't worried about you people.
I'm ahead of my time, sometimes years out. So the powers that be won't let me get my ideas out. And that make me wanna get my advance out and move to Oklahoma and just live in my aunt's house. Yeah, I romance the thought of leaving it all behind. Kanye step away from the limelight, like when I was on the grind in the 1999. Before model chicks was bending over, or dealerships as we Benz a Rover. Man, if I could just get one beat on Hover, we could get up off the cheap ass sofa. What the summer of the shot got to offer an 18-year-old? Sell drugs to get a job, you gotta play your role. My dog worked at Taco Bell, hooked us up plural. Fired a week later, the manager Capituro. I can't believe it when I look up in the mirror. How we out in Europe, spending euros. They claim you never know what you got till it's gone. I know I got it, I don't know what y'all on. I'ma open up a store for aspiring MCs. Won't sell them no dream, but the inspiration is free. But if I ever flip side like Anakin, you will sell everything, including the mannequin. They got a new, now you Jennifer Aniston. Hold on, I'll handle it. Don't stop panicking, stay calm. Shorty's at the door, cause they need more inspiration for they like they shows and they songs. So I'm sorry, Mr. West is gone.
Hey, yeah.
Penny X.
I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a rap.
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy. Okay, remember that. You didn't come this far just to come this far. Yep. I saw it on the internet.
I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I don't know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I don't know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I don't know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I don't know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I don't know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I don't know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I don't know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's w Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit them up.
Good morning, Anus.
I give you the world, but there's other
I am posting the my Instagram, and I'm gonna post the YouTube for the Discord.
They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the
Good morning, everybody. Golly, what a beautiful sell that we took yesterday, bro. Don't forget about the mod roll. GG. I'll do it right now.
Man, I'm tryna hit the A, but don't hit me up in WID me, baby. Send a boy a PIC to see me, baby. Okay, now we talking. Okay, now we talking. Okay, now we talking. When we talk, you gotta listen, I don't wanna go missing, I wanna be consistent.
1 second, AJ, and all right, boys. So check it. Very important day today. It's gonna be fun. I think we have a good one ahead of us. If we check FOREX Factor, we see that we have news coming up in about 20 minutes. Then we got news 15 minutes after that. And then if we can't find anything still, we got an hour and a half after that with more news. A lot more news. And even if we don't find after that, we got more news. I'm saying we got news on news on news. Talking about the daily for my dailies daily. Y'all already don't know about that. Hola, Lumelo in the building. What it do, brother? Golly, what a beautiful sell we took. Imagine we would have set and forget the shit out of this trade. Oh my god, we would have passed the account. This is how the dashboard looks so far for the account. I don't know, I'll scroll right now. Let me finish logging into the Funding Pips account.
Yo told me he been on some positive shit, yeah. Lately I just wanna show up and body some shit, yeah. Always been a little mathematician. Lately this cash I'm getting got me losing count of these bags. I've been moving too fast. Hard times don't last. Remember when cops are rats talking out my.
And then we got Trade Locker right there. So you can see we're up 4.6%. Good afternoon, KB. How are we all doing? I'm doing great. I have not hopped into any positions London session. London session, how was London session for all those who've been up since London session? How has it been performing? Has it improved? Has it still been rangy? Has there been volume? What is your guys' outlooks on London session so far? I mean, I decided to go with New York session this week just due to the fact that, look at this, boys. We got red folder, orange folder. I mean, we got 4 different news sources coming ahead of us. Yesterday, it was the same thing. The day before that, it was the same thing. And then, yeah, I think Friday is NFP, so it really doesn't matter. Tomorrow's NFP. 8:30 again. I mean, it's been a whole week with just US packed news. Break even for London, 1 win, 1 loss. London, not great. London didn't look like it had much to offer. It looked like it was a great sell, then it was a great oh, actually I took buys down here, almost got stopped out, came back to break even, got stopped out. I was on a different account, one of my clients' accounts.
It out. No.
Oh wow, gold's run. What a beautiful 4-hour continuation candlestick, continuation candlestick, continuation candlestick. Nut.
Niggas keep shooting up the let out. Yo, Jordan Pill gotta get out. Cause the shit that I spit out is a cheat code, like a face in a Rico. And how a nigga put a hit out. And another one, and another one. I got like 100 of them by the lap niggas, so they think they ahead of me. But I'm really in front of them now. Some of them fumbling they bad, fucking up the little crumbs that they had. A reminder to humble yourself. This shit could be gone in an instant. Me, I'm running long distance, all pistons firing. I've been stuck between maybe retiring and feeling like I'm just not hitting my prime. These days, seeing rappers be.
Guys, I have no idea what our approach is going to be to the market right now. I mean, as I'm looking at, I see this as a pretty good long entry, and I see better long entries happening on pair to go longs on with a decent stop loss, but I'm actually scared of news. I mean, we're gonna wait about 10 to 15 minutes and see if we could get a good volatility push with the red folder news that's coming, and then from there we react to the news just like we did yesterday and just like we did the day before, right? Everybody, I kept on emphasizing yesterday the fact that everybody felt like they were missing out on the move. Everybody was like, and the day before yesterday and yesterday, everybody felt like they were missing out on the move. Like, we were calling out moves left and right. We were preparing ourselves to hop into a trade, but everybody was like, yo, but you know, the move happened, or they're like, oh, I already caught the sell. And I was like, yo, remember? And I just kept on telling you guys, remember yesterday, the day before, it felt like we missed out on the move. It feels like the market left without you, and out of nowhere you actually focus up and you realize, hey, opportunity is right in front of your face. Damn, dude, I got like a whole bunch of bite marks all over my leg. I don't know what the hell attacked me. Literally like destroyed in bites. All right, my bad. I was checking my dude. I got a whole bunch of bite marks on me. Jesus Christ. All right, as we see London, I mean, freaking the pound is tanking. What's interesting is that we have GU going downwards, but right now we've seen the dollar have bearish movement. I mean, this is the only push that we've had from the dollar. I'm wondering, is this DXY gonna go bullish after news or bearish? Because that's really what's gonna determine where the charts start going. I mean, as I look at this chart, it looks bearish to me. It could flip, but still looks bearish to me, which bearish, that would mean GBP would go bullish, which sounds pretty good. Just in hindsight, not too easy to hop into and try to catch.
And that's the reason going independent, it just never had a pill. She and me are just like Kobe and Shaquille, but we never even chill. I bought her an apartment, so I knew her like a tenant. All the verses tailor-made for you to get offended. It was never unintended. Backyard Tiger Woods worthy for the eagle. String her ass along, I'll thread her through the needle.
So Monday we went 2.7, 2.4, 761. I mean, we're up 5K this week, even more than that. We're gonna risk 1.5% today, 1.5%. So if we lose today's trade, we'll be at 3K. If we win today's trade, I'm trying to aim for 3K. So I'm saying we're gonna be up about 7.5% if we hit this trade. 1.5% risk. I obviously don't have a bias yet. I don't have a direction in which I want to catch. I'm kind of just waiting for some volatility to come. Like I said, news is coming soon. I'll be patient, try to catch my one trade of the day, make my money, and I'm out.
I'm never doing verses, I'm forever giving lectures. If you're trying to meet with money, I'll be happy to connect ya. Life is better than it's ever been. Scheduling $1 million meetings with the president. Someone cut the lights on. Where is Thomas Edison? Got a new condo. Watch me as I settle in. I deserve an MTV show for me and my people. And if you're trying to zone, I got a whole swish of sweet food. Rappers all liars and they women are deceitful. Adding to they subtract me, I'd never be an equal. Last place Drizzy is the nigga in the lead now. Weezy told me just write every single thing you need down. Then he got it it for me, and I'm happy as can be now. About to start balling like I'm coming off a rebound. Yeah, and I should have the most bragging rights because a nigga spit crack, bag it tight. Hate when rappers say they trying to get their swagger right, cause I done came with more fire than a dragon fight. Fuck you, pussy ass hater, you should do you. You ain't heard of me, then you should go and get a blue slew. Oops, I mean a red glue. Wayne's here, Sue Woo. Betty felt that like the end of a full cue, but I ain't banging, I ain't waving no flag.
All right, what it do, Tony? What it do, Tony? All right, so we have London session still looking like it wants to go bearish. I mean, this 4-hour candlestick that closes in 1 hour, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, this 4-hour candlestick that closes in 1 hour right now is showing bearish price action. It's respecting our 8 SMA and as well as doing the wick fill, which we so love. So, I mean, if you are in a short position, I would hold it. It really depends on if you have something to risk, because there could be a little wick fill to the top, wick fill to the bottom. I mean, there could be, like, you know, choppiness that stops you out of a position, because news is coming within 14 minutes, boys. We have, oh no, oh wait, this is tomorrow. Today, yeah, we have news coming. US folder, you have non-farmers employment change, ADP, US dollar. I don't know, the forecast is 144K, the previous was 122K. I don't know if that's positive. I don't know what's negative. I just know that, golly, we're going to get some volatility finally, and we love volatility. You gamblers. Boys, has anybody been successful today trading London session? Is anybody in profit from London session? And if they are, what did you guys take? A buy, sell?
Nigga, this is my shit. Welcome to the city of God. Pop was the king of New York. Now I'm the
Everyone's a gamble. Life is a gamble. What a beautiful trade that we ended up taking yesterday. Golly, I can't believe I closed that shit so early. Jesus Christ. Is that y'all know how news goes. News is like a type of thing like, oh, you're in profit, and then you're not, then you're in profit, then you're not. I didn't think it would just melt and just go. Now, I made it very clear to you since I opened up yesterday's stream. I was like, yo, I'm very bearish on GBP, JPY. I don't know where we're going to catch our entry, but I knew that I was bearish on it. Now, what I don't want to happen is for us to be in a position, news to come, and then for it to wake us out or you know, just do a whole bunch of wicks, because that's where the randomness comes, where it's not fun trading news. For example, yesterday's news trade, we had a very little bullish push, and then it started melting, as in, you know, it didn't really, if it would have had that wick, we would have gotten stopped out and missed our position. I don't want that wick to happen right now. That's the wick that there's like inevitable to avoid. Those little spikes that happen. For those who traded during coronavirus, know exactly about them GJ spikes. Oof, boy. Y'all ain't never seen fucking 200 pips in fucking 3 seconds, I promise you that. I've seen it. 3 seconds. I'm talking about just straight. All right, so in my opinion, if you guys are going to be trading gold, boys, my opinion is that gold is going to go bullish, right? We have a bullish candlestick, bullish continuation, bullish continuation, bullish continuation. This should be bullish. This should wick fill the top wick right here. Now, I'm not saying to hop in right now like a maniac, but if you are in, hold, and if you do find your position in your correct entry, I think that this should go bullish. I'm not sure if we should have a small time retracement before we go bullish, but I definitely expecting, you know, this to keep on breaking new highs. 4-hour candlestick. What does that say? The 4-hour candlestick closes differently from the 4-hour candlestick on GG, but this one closes in 55 minutes, and as we can see, it's wick filling to the downside. What about this song, Paras? I'm in that wide body Benz. I go back to college, do an album, and then drop out again. Took me a minute to get here. My vision is crystal clear. Hey, Fabi, excuse me, but this is the feature of the year. I feel like Sinatra in these streets. Me and Drizzy, we at peace. This the backpack with the polo and the first Jesus piece. I'm from the shop, but I'm always New York in the city. They treat me like Jesus is walking. I've been through the pain and all of the torment. I say in his name, I make it important. Now it's time to give him hell. Ask my staff, I pay him well. This afternoon, 100 goons pulling up to SNL. When I pull up, it's dead on arrival. They act like they love you, they don't even like you. They throw a party, won't even invite you. I see the Where's the Carol G music at? All right, boys. 10 minutes till we have red folder news. We actually do not have a bias right now. I don't think we're going to hop into a trade before news. Unless it's a trade like yesterday's where news hit and I kind of just saw the perfect entry before it melted and we took it. I mean, it's not that it's impulsive, but it's just... I can't come up with something clever to say. Ha, nah, L. Duncan. L-U. L-U-F-U. And then after we have US news, we're going to wait another 15 minutes and then we have again red folder. And then from there, we have an hour and a half till more red folder news. So 100% boys, we are catching a trade today. We're going to risk about 1.6%. I'm expecting to have this challenge pass, if not by today, by tomorrow. So let's focus up. News is coming soon. We still don't have a bias. Let's hopefully we get volatility come and start moving this chart aggressively and we put ourselves in the correct position. Let's fucking make it, dude. Who the fuck made AJ back? We don't need gamblers here, only traders. No fighting the chat. Damn, Barras is not. Yo, Barras did not wake up on the good side of the bed today. You can tell he's a little angry today.
Yeah. Styling no. Listen, but got pictures with me smiling no. All the things you need, you still want problems though.
Chat is crashing. Nah, Barras, you green, bruh. AJ has been here since I started trading about, say, 4.5, 5 years ago. Damn, no he didn't. Barras. Damn.
Maybe it never gets old and that's just how it goes. Last table left in carbone, calling plays on a rotary phone. I take a glass of Domi now to go with me home. Might move our annual shit to the dome. I need 40.
All right, let's not get distracted, boys. Enough of both of you. We'll decide who gets eliminated later, but chill. Chill. Especially when we got a whole bunch of red folder news coming up. Don't distract everybody. We got great stuff going on here. About to pass this challenge, about to make some money. And then, yeah, and then we do a whole bunch of giveaways with the money that we make. Let's get ready to rumble. Barras versus AJ. Imagine Barras versus AJ like in an MMA fight. Who would you guys take? Today's not Friday, but there is, I don't know, non-farm employment change, and then tomorrow there's more non-farm employment change. So I don't know what the fuck. I wasn't gonna ask questions. I was just gonna react, you know. Texting my inboxes have been popping. Seasons go by like I'm binge watching. Went from Club Palazzo in the bridge to Club Live to not even showing up at a club unless we doing biz. Who does bro think I am, Alex Pereira? AJ, you would remind me of the MMA fighter who's 18 years old. AJ reminds me of the 18-year-old Raul Rosas. Like, this is AJ right here. I'll show you AJ. He has a great fight coming up. Kids in freaking high school, and he's fighting. That's him right there. That looks like AJ. I don't know why AJ gives me, now obviously, you know, AJ's probably a little bit less good looking than this guy, but AJ gives me vibes that he looks like this, like an 18-year-old little showman. Freaking goes to high school and he has the ability to kill fucking 30-year-old men. That's crazy. He can't even dip out to see me in an emergency. My life is centered around competition and currency. Take a summer off because they tell me I need recovery. Maybe getting back to my regular life. I'll show you who Barras is. Barras, whenever I picture Barras in my head, chat, I always imagine this kid. I always imagine this kid. I swear. This is who I always imagine. You see, this is like AJ when he was feeling himself in college. I mean, in high school. I'm just saying how I feel. You know, we have a right to feel. AJ says I'm Latino. Raul Rosas is Latino also. And who tan like you? You're tan. You know, like Ecuadorian looking. Who was the kid in our chat who I always told you guys that reminded me of Ray? We don't have like an Asian kid in our chat. W wrote says for real, for real. How did your first 5-figure payout feel like? What did you do with it? What's 5 figures? It's not 6 figures. I got paid 5 figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 5-figure payout. First 5-figure payout. Nothing, brother. I kept the money to myself. I don't know. What did I pay out? I mean, what did I buy? Nothing, because I got a girlfriend at the moment and everything went to her. I guess a few months later after I paid off a lot of credit cards. Dude, I haven't bought anything crazy in my lifetime. The most I've ever bought, which was I spent, for example, I went to Vegas. I spent like fucking $12,000 on a trip. When I got back, I was like, oh wow, that was the most amount of money I've ever spent. I spent it after having a bunch of good months back-to-back trading. And then when I got back, I was like, you know what? I've never spent money like that before. I don't want to do it again. The only thing I'm going to do right now is because when I went to Vegas, everybody had goddamn watches on. A bunch of fucking watches on, and I was walking around watchless. So I was going around to all the stores trying to get myself watches. And then I finally found myself a watch that I wanted to buy. They had no Rolexes over there, so I bought myself a Tudor Royale for about like 3.5K. After the 3.5K, I got back to Miami and I was like, man, fuck this. I want a Rolex. So I was already down like 15K, 16K from trading profits that I was basically down, and I was like, you know what? Another fucking 5-6K won't hurt. At the end of the day, the watch didn't cost 5-6K. It cost me like fucking 7-8K. That's when I got this one. I haven't put it away from yesterday. And then another good month happened, and then I was like, you know what? I'm using half of this money to go get the actual Rolex that I want, and then I'm not buying watches again. And then I bought that Rolex. Haven't bought watches since. Still got a whole bunch of fucking stuff to pay. just still. Boy, here in the United States, you make money and it just goes, man. There's just so much things you gotta pay for. Like, golly, dude. Next time I got a 5-figure payout. Next time I got a 5-figure payout, I didn't even get the full payout. I had to give away a good amount of money on it. And that was to CJ. I don't know if you guys remember who CJ was. I was trading one of her accounts. We went multiple figures on her account. I made that girl $26,000. She made 26K off me. I made a little bit less than that. Maybe a lot less than that. 26K this woman made off of me. Never even met me in her life. And then she would have made like 30 something K, but we got banned on her FTMO. FTMO said that I was reverse trading when I only had one account, never hopped into multiple positions. I got paid out 26K by FTMO. More than that, her half was 26K, and then they decided, hey, we're deleting your account. You can't even make an account with us. Pay the fees, Andrew. What happened? Bought out Texas signal today. I'm out today. What did you recommend to do with my first 5-figure if I got it? If you got a first 5-figure payout, what I would recommend you do, it really depends where you live, but first 5-figure payout, golly, man. Try to get another one. I don't know. My 5-figure payout was only goddamn like $12,000, and the second one was about, let's say, 14, and then there was another one that was with Dale that was, I think 8. I haven't gotten multiple. I've gotten a good amount of payouts because, I mean, I've told you guys multiple times on live stream, whenever I trade live accounts, my live account strategy is to make 1 to 3% weekly. 1 to 3% weekly, which means bi-weekly I'm cashing out 3 to 5%, you know, 3 to 5%, and I'm cashing out the account, moving on to the next, and then I won't even touch that account up until it's like fucking 4 or 5 days till the payout. I'll try to go for 1 to 2 to 3% cash out there. 3% is my number, man. Like, I am a beast when it comes down to let's make 3% and let's cash the fuck out. All right, so the 4-hour wick fill ended up almost completing itself. We have 43 minutes till this candlestick closes. News is whoa, news hit. Okay, that's it. That's what you had in store for us? What if we take the buy right now? What if we take a freaking sniper buy right now? Boys, this is the update for this week. Monday, success. Tuesday, success. Wednesday, we're going to consider it a success. Consider it a success because I closed like right here, and then I got off, and this thing ended up melting, which is exactly what also happened the day before that, where we could have been rich, but it is what it is, boys, right? We're also going to trade news today. I mean, we have red folder news coming up back to back to back. We're just waiting to be in a correct position, or try to, like, you know, maybe change, get some volatility to actually change up the screen a little bit. Golly, we're in a little bit of a range. I'm bullish on gold. I'm pretty bearish on GJ up to the moment without whatever is happening with news. DXY showing us that it's tanking. That's exactly why I'm bullish on gold and the GBP pairs. Well, I'm actually bearish on GJ, not GU. Yeah, GU's bullish. GJ bearish. GU bullish. Gold bullish. Why is gold and GU bullish? Just because the dollar is tanking. Yeah, if you guys have any charts that you guys want me to break down up to the moment, we have not hopped in a trade. What the game plan is, we're up 4.6%. I'm planning on risking 1.5% today, meaning that if I lose this trade, I will be back at 3K. If I win my next trade, which I'm trying to hit a 1 to 2 restored ratio, that would mean I am up 7.5K. 7.5K would mean basically pass the challenge, and then we're on to the next. Once we do the next, once we're on phase 2 is gonna go by really quick, boys. We've been up 5% multiple times on this account. Once we get up to phase 2, we're gonna make the 5%, and then after that, we're gonna take like 2-3 days for the account to get made. And we're coming and trading live every single day. You guys are helping me make the decisions. All the money that gets made gets paid back to you guys. You guys, it's not an illusion. It's gonna happen. I'm telling you, there's zero chance it's not going to happen. I know for 100% I'm going to pass that account, and I know for 100% I'm going to get a payout, and then I know for 100% I'm going to give it to you guys. So there's like just zero possibility in you not getting these payouts and you guys not being a part of it. I'm telling you. If you guys have not subscribed yet, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss out on the beginning of the streams. I've noticed that it's been hard to get everybody on the stream at the same time. Nonetheless, post notifications. If you guys have not liked up the stream yet, also like up the stream. It helps the channel grow. It helps the algorithm. It helps YouTube push our channel to more other channels. Like I said, helps us grow. With that being said, I mean, we didn't have much of a push right there when it comes down to the NF. Oh, this is not NFP. This is NFE. Non-farmers employment change. Yeah, we have 15 in less than 15 minutes. We have another red folder news. Up to the moment, it looks like sells are going to be the stronger, you know, the way to go, especially daily bearish candlestick, daily continuation. Let's see, one's in the chat. Type 1 in the chat if you guys are bullish on GBP JPY. This is Euro CHF. Golly, I don't even know what I think about this fucking chart. Damn, dude, this thing's tanking. Is that also what's happening with GJ? The gold long started playing out that I called out earlier. Oh my god, and GU long started playing out. Wow, that easy? That's how easy the trade was? Golly. That's so annoying whenever I miss trades like that. There's no trade for me to take right now. Why? Because we have GJ already left the train and it's going downwards, right? It's a bearish price action, so I'm looking for majority sells. Nothing is telling me to take a buy right now. I'm just hoping that it just leaves a wick. So it's like I'm not going to take a short, but also the longs are like I'm not going to take a short because I missed it already, and I'm not going to take a long because that's completely wrong. Even if it does go up, it's a completely wrong trade for me to take. That's why. So the only possibilities of me taking the trade right now are GJ sells, right? And then when it comes to gold, I'm taking gold longs. I wouldn't take a gold sell. Yeah, I gotta be patient. I gotta wait for the charts to come back, boys. If the trade that I had to take was that GJ sell, the gold long, and this GU long. I called every single one of them out. Just didn't fucking take.
Come to the spot, I got one-on-one pieces and all of them cost me a grip. Come to the US, a pretty hoe ready to go in the pro with her lips. Good service, I'm ready to tip. You know when I'm hip, I don't got a trip. You know I ain't no liberty shrimp. We switching position, we switching locations. I'm fucking this bitch in the gym. She said she don't wanna say.
Damn, dude, what a beautiful melt out that would have been for me to catch.
I need you making it hot. The stakes is high, the prices is high. I'm about to fly to Dubai. I'm gone. Horse and boo, HB on the tie. I with the one-on-one ride. And cup in the bill at a slide. I come to get mine. Pop out on these bill like surprise. One-on-one bitch at 18. One-on-one.
No fucking way. Look at gold, boys. You fucking serious?
I'm in a town in a drop top coupe in the motor in the trunk you can hear. And all about how they want me to lose, but I'm W due for a win.
All right, so we see Tony Gold says that GJ is short. He is bearish. Anton is also short.
Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it. And I'm going.
Look at gold, bro. I knew it would go rally. I mean, I didn't know it, but had a good feeling it was going to continue going bullish like that. Bullish candlestick, continuation, bullish. Have you guys been liking those continuation candlesticks or what, boys? Y'all have been coming most you guys been coming more often, seeing daily how I call out these daily continuation candlesticks. Have you guys been incorporating them into your own trading strategies? Because you guys don't have to trade them the same way I do, but you guys could incorporate them into your strategies or analysis many different ways. Has anybody in the chat found success using those continuation candlesticks, or at least opened their eyes, or I don't know?
How I feel when I'm around you, shorty. Last night we didn't say it, but girl, we both thought it. Why second guess? I should have stayed.
If Drew didn't film it, then it ain't filmed right.
Second time hearing, first time hearing about them. So I always teach to the channel what these candlesticks mean. This is a clear example of what continuation candlesticks look like. These are what I call continuation candlesticks. A lot of people like calling them whatever, the hammers or the reversal, whatever the fucks. They're completely wrong. The way you've been looking at them have been completely wrong when it comes down to the basics that they have been teaching. These are continuation candlesticks, regardless of the size of the wicks of the top, regardless of the size of the wick of the bottom. What you want to focus on is that there's a very strong bullish candlestick, and then we have a candlestick where there's a pause, pause, pause. Those aren't pauses. Yeah, they're pauses, but they're still confirmations of price needs to continue moving in that way, in that sense. You ride the train. So I mean, bullish, continuation, bullish. We always pay attention to things like that. Here it didn't end up playing out. This was a continuation candlestick that ended up reversing, but bullish, continuation, bullish, continuation, and then we ended up melting. But we play out our continuation candlestick, so you typically ride the trend, right? You'll find that across the board on every candlestick chart. But point is that we trade those in that way. I don't fucking know. I got lost with what I was saying. Bullish, continuation, 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 bullish. So that's when I was looking at the chart on gold. I was telling you guys, boys, if you guys look at the hourly, I mean, these are all continuation candlesticks. I know that we're at a level of resistance where a lot of people are going to be taking sells, but that's where the rookies are taking sells. It's the rookie sell, which is the professional buy. Down 10K. Damn, boy, weren't you up like the whole mother load? Like $16,000 or even more than that? Omar said Omar. 32K. Oh my god. Don't do what Rojas the Barber did. I remember Rojas the Barber about a year ago. Fucking was first live account ever. He got his first live account ever by being on our live stream. We got him funded. He was copying our trades. He got funded. He was copying some of our trades. I'm not gonna give myself full credit. First live account ever. He had $100,000 of live money. Right? This guy's a barber in California, where fucking California, they rape you for everything. Dude was up like 5K. There's 3 days left to pay out. I told him, withdraw, brother. Please withdraw. Just withdraw. Do what I do. I withdraw $5,000. Now I have a live account that has, you know, imagine you have a live account that's up $5,000. I withdraw the $5,000. I use $1,000 or $2,000 to buy more challenges, and I pocket $3,000, and I just wait my ass 2 fucking days so my account's back at 100,000, and then I could trade fresh psychology wise. Simple strategy. What the most logical people in the world do. But no, what did this guy have to do? It's 3 days left till payout. He's up $5,000. I'm like, have you ever gotten a $5,000 payout? He's like, no. I'm like, okay. Next day, there's 2 days left till payout. I ask him, yo, bro, you stopped trading, right? He goes, nah, bro, I'm up like 8 now. I was like, damn, boy. I was like, good shit, bro. He was like, yeah, I caught myself in a good trade, and yeah, it's been a little up and down. And I was like, bro, I told him on live stream, I'm like, boys, brother, please cash that out. I need you to cash that out. It's in 2 days. Just don't touch the account. He goes, yeah, but I don't have money right now on my account to buy another account. I'm like, then stop trading. I'll buy you the account and you pay me back. Like, I don't fucking know. Just don't trade. Then it's 1 day left till payout. He tells me he's up $12,000. $12,000. He was on our live stream with $12,000. I was like, bro, I'm happy for you. This is the last straw, though. You got the payout tomorrow. I need you to just cash out. He was like, all right. You guys want to know how much he ended up cashing out? Like $600. I think he ended up cashing out $600, and it wasn't even on the day of the payout. On the day of the payout, he was down. He had no money to cash out. He had to recovered like $600, let's say like 4 days later. Bro, I told him every fucking day, don't trade the account. I don't care if your $5,000 payout compared to $8,000 compared to 12. It's the same shit to me. Get the payout and then it counts. Trash ass music? Is that the actual song though? Bro, dude never came back. He admitted I was right, like in a way, and then he just never came back. He left. He quit. Never came back. He pulled the blue. That's what I was telling Slick. Don't pull off whatever that guy did. Prod by Cap says I remember that. Bro, you remember how many times I told this dude I'd come back every single day and be like, bro, you cash out yet? He'd be like, no, I'm up even more. I'm like, oh no. I've heard of this. Boy, I've seen it all. Chat, I've seen it all. I've done it all. I've done it all myself, and then I've seen it all with others. So it's like, I already know what outcomes are to come. No, the problem with that he fucked himself over so hard that it was already a miracle that he got that live account. I'm telling you, right? Just he did some really good copy trading on my live stream. He got himself funded. But the fact that he got himself $12,000 and he did not cash out, what does that tell you to the next time he's only up $2,000? What does that tell you the next time he's up $4,000? What is that like? He completely fucked his like psychology over for like it's gonna be hard to recover from that. If you're up for the first time ever $2,000, cash it the fuck out. Stop trying to go for fucking hero trades, hero moves. Like it makes no sense, chat. If you're up $2,000 on 100K, the account is still yours when you cash out. I'm not sure if you guys process that. The account is still yours. The only thing you need to do is take the $3,000, don't touch your account, don't look at the charts, cash out $3,000, and now you have more money to play with. You have money to play with again. It's such an yeah, hell yeah. Proud by Cap. The dude was on the leaderboard and everything. He was fighting for first place, boy. I have the messages. I have his leaderboard screenshots and everything. Dude ended up yeah. The last day when it was like a couple days before his payout, he was like, "Yo, I'm at the top of the leaderboard. I'm up $12,000." I'm like, damn. I was actually proud of the dude. I'm like, dude, one of my fucking students. I mean, not my student. I mean, he definitely was one of my students, but boy was killing it. All right, so we had the second news source already hit. That was also whack as balls.
Talk to my dad, give him some advice. He starts spazzing on me. I start spazzing back. He said, "They ain't Christ-like." I said,
Ow. I'm like itching myself. Got a whole bunch of bite marks all over my leg. That shit's the worst. I don't even know when I got attacked. Wait, what the fuck am I looking at? Oh my god, I thought that this was gold right now. I was like, no way that shit just wouldn't did that. Damn, dude, I swear to God, when I hopped on live stream today, I was like, yo, there's gonna be so many opportunities today. It's gonna be so easy to catch a trade. High key, since I hopped on, it's only been like one push, and it's come back.
She was no angel and we never waited. I took her for sushi, she wanted to, so we took it to go. Told them don't even play it, and we never talked too much after I blew up. Just only hello, happy belated. And I think I texted her and told her I made it, and that's when she texted me and told me she prayed it, and that's when I texted her and told her I love it. And right after texting her and told her I'm faded, she
oh shit, my bad.
Whatever I learned since getting richer, I learned working with the negatives to make for better pictures. I learned Hennessy and enemies is one hell of a mixture, even though it's dub, girl, I'm still.
All right, so I'm looking at the continuation of this GU pattern. I mean, I don't see any retracements happening right now. Now I don't know if we have a lot of volatility to actually like break through all these resistances and fly, but I don't see us melting out. Like even if we do see a big red candlestick, I think that would just want to trigger me into wanting to take the trade. So I'm very bullish on GU, which meaning that let's look at the DXY and assure ourselves that the DXY is going downwards, and it is, and this looks like a wick fill type shit. Like this looks like if we close right here, the next candlestick opens and starts wick filling to the downside, meaning the dollar is going to get weaker, meaning GU should fly. Anybody in any current trades? We have about 22 people, 24 people watching this live stream. Has anybody taken any trades or anybody currently in any trades?
Ain't no curfew.
Who has
If
a
you
current
wait,
open
then I will
position?
serve you. I flew jet. She flew commercial, but we still met. Later that night, after my session, she came over. I was aggressive and she was sober. I gave her a pill. She started confessing and started undressing and asked me to hold her, and so I did. But that was last month, and now
You're in
she's
two
texting me
positions?
asking for closure. Damn, she say this shit gon' catch up to me. I keep tissue paper. We eat each other.
Do you think
whenever
FTMO
we
hates
have
profitable
the
traders?
table.
I am a
She say
testament
she
that they
hate
hate
me,
profitable
she love me,
traders.
and
They
she
literally
wish I was
banned my
average.
account
Sometimes I wish
just
the
because they said that they said I was reverse trading. That's what I understood from the news, from whatever they sent me. They said I was reverse trading. I only had one FTMO account, and I don't reverse trade. Like, I don't even, it doesn't even work. Like, I'm not even a believer in that it fucking works. So I don't know what the fuck. They owe me $8,000. I was supposed to be 30. Well, we made 26,000. We were supposed to be. I was supposed to be $34,000 within a span of 4 months on FTMO. That's how much I was making. Exile says he's looking for an upside move once things cool down. That's exactly what I'm looking for. I want things to cool down a little bit like it is right now, but it looks like... And then I'm trying to just catch the continuation of the patterns that have already been. Below says, I scalped UJ buys for unemployment claims. Profits closed. Ow. Dude, I'm itchy.
I might be too strung out on compliments, overdosed on confidence. Started not to give a fuck and stop fearing the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink to my accomplishments. Faded way too long, I'm floating in and out of consciousness, and they saying I'm back. I'd agree with that. I just take my time with all this shit.
All right, oh shit, I already read that. Boys, I want to risk 1.5% today. Like, we need to find this trade. 1.5% is going to be risked today because we're going to be about 1.5% to passing this challenge, bro. We're like around the corner, around the goddamn corner. We just need to risk 1.5% and cash out 101, not 1 to 2. Now, GJ is going to continue moving bearishly. Like, we see the wick fill ended up completing itself. We have 21 minutes till the 4-hour candlestick closes. So now we have to look around at the 4-hour candlestick. For example, let's go to GU. We look at the 4-hour candlestick and we ask ourselves, all right, boys, we've had 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 hours of bullish price action on GU. New 4-hour candlestick will open up soon. Where do you think we're going to push? And then that answer should be pretty obvious. I mean, even if we push to the downside, the correct move to do is to push, is to take the long, or to look for the continuation of the trade, right? To follow the pattern. Not to just be like, oh, this 4-hour candlestick, we're going to go short because we're all the way over here. My RSI is hitting the 80. We're overextended. Like, boys, put that bullshit ass RSI away. Number one thing that helped me to stop losing so many stupid trades, number one thing by far, was stop calling tops, stop calling bottoms. Exclude those from your trading strategy and you will find so much more success. I'm telling you. Calling tops, what does calling tops means? This. Anything like this means you're calling tops. Take these away. Take this. Oh, forget about that. Don't ever do that again. Completely. Take that shit out of here. And the same thing with the bottom. Don't call tops, don't call bottoms. You will be very profitable, very successful. If you're not calling tops, you're not calling bottoms, what does that mean? Instead of going for that short, go for the long. Right? Maybe it's not going to play out this time, but I'm telling you, 8 times out of 10, 7 times out of 10, price continues. Price continues more than it turns around. It's like, it's a train. It's a trend. It's a trend. So ride the trend. Stop trying to call the end of the trend. It's easier to ride a trend than to try to predict when a trend is going to end. Way easier to ride the trend than to be like, oh, today it's going to turn around. It's over. So that's why I always, so imagine we were to take this trade. Even if we lose and it ends up melting to the downside and it was the top, statistically, it's so hard to even call the top that I'm not going to put myself in that position to try to look for it. It was losing is normal. The loss was meant to happen. So if I lose this time, it goes all the way down. The next time there is a pattern where it's a continuation, I'm taking it again. And then if I win, I'm like, oh shit. And then I take it again and I take it again. And you start winning more than you start losing. You start realizing that that's the way to do it. Let me go use the restroom real quick before we take this GU long. Hopefully it goes down a little bit more. Hopefully it doesn't leave without me. And if not, gold left without me for sure. And I won't call bottoms on GJ. That's why I said GJ's buys are completely out the door right now. Like, we're not ever going to take the GJ buy. I think GU sells like amazing. All right, I'm going to go use the bathroom real quick.
I think I killed everybody in the game last year, man. Fuck it, I was on though. And I thought I found a girl of my dreams at the strip club. Fuck it, I was wrong though. Shout out to all my niggas living tax free. Nowadays it's 6 figures when they tax me. Oh well, guess you lose some and win some. Long as the outcome is income. You know I want it all, and then some. Shout out to Asian girls, let the lights dim some. Shots came, I don't know where they was sent from. Probably some bad hoes I'm about to take the hint from. Yeah, you know me well, nigga. Yeah, I mean you ain't the only real nigga. They got me on these white women like seal, nigga. Slave to the pussy, but I'm just playing the field, nigga. Yeah, all these people really discussing my career again, asking if I be going platinum in a year again. Don't I got this shit the world wanna hear again? No, Michael Jordan still got his hoop earring in. Man, all of your flows bore me, paint drying, and I don't ever be tripping off of what ain't mine. And I be hearing the shit you say through the grapevine, but jealousy is just love and hate at the same time. Yeah. It's been that way from the beginning. I just been playing, I ain't even noticed I was winning. And this is the only sound you should fear. Man, these kids wear crowns over here and everything is alright.
Alright, my bad for the distraction. Damn, dude, should we just go for a continuation trade right now? I like it. It looks beautiful.
Who the new star? Cause if I'm going anywhere, it's probably too far. Just performed at a bar mitzvah over in the States. Use half of the money to beat my brother's case. Red wine over fair time. But shout out to the niggas that's doing dead time. And shout out to the bitches there when it's bedtime. And fuck you to the niggas that think it's their time. Yeah, don't make me take your life apart, boy. You and whoever the fuck gave you your star, boy. Or you wanna be
we are not in a trade yet,
funny guy.
Hold up. I'm putting on like a little itch cream or something, dude. I checked my legs and I got like a whole bunch of ant bites. I don't know if it was when I was playing golf yesterday. I don't know what the fuck happened.
But you know I feel it now more than ever. My city love me
Your boy
like
looks like you gotta go to the hospital type shit.
The
Alright,
backpackers are back on the
cat,
bandwagon
short,
like this was my
and
comeback
that's long.
season
Hold on.
back in the day.
One
And I
second,
met your
chat.
baby moms last night. We took a picture together, I hope she frames it. And I was drinking at the Palms last night and ended up losing everything that I came with. Yeah, feel like
Alright,
I've
that
been
should
here
help.
before, huh? I still got 10 years to go, huh? And this is the only sound you should fear. Man, these kids wear crowns over here and everything is
Alright, use the CAD short and mess long. What does MES long mean? Dude, this pair looks horrible. I don't know how people trade that. Whoa, look at that one. That is crazy. All right, 846, meaning that oh no, it's at 10. We still have a long way to go. 846. Damn, dude. Not really sure on what we should take right now, chat. Any opinions on what do you guys see me taking right now? You know, if you guys had to push the button for me, what do you guys see me, or like what do you guys recall me like using the past history of my trades? What do you guys think I'd be taking right now? What do you think I should take? I think it's time to buy Dogecoin. What's fun, dude? If a week from now Dogecoin freaking just flies out of nowhere, oh my god.
Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. You mad at me? This ain't what I want, man. It's what it had to be. This is that late night work.
Great American bar scene. Short gold, dude. I was about to tell you long gold. Thank God we ain't hopping no GU. Unless we snipe GU. This would be a good trade like this. How many pips is that? About 30. How about a 30 pips trade on GU, boys? Great American bar scene. And now the upstairs. I think we're gonna go with gold longs right now, boys.
I could give two fucks about where the Grammys go. I just gave out Grammys on my Instagram. Them OBO boys, the business, man. It is what it is.
How lucky you're always been hella.
You gotta come to my side and see how we live. Yeah. I cannot see heaven being much better than this. Yeah. Blessings on blessings for me and my niggas from the 6. Look at what we did. Yeah. Be quiet, I'm doing
that girl with a big booty. She a bad bitch. Let's get to it right away. Alright, I think we're gonna go for this GU long. I think we're gonna go for like a 3 lot. Let's check it. So leave me out of that dark town now. There's a fire burning, me orange blade away. Leave me out of that. 313131. 131313. I like that. That number looked great. 131313. Where the hell do I find that? 131313. That's what I like right there. So we could go 3.5. 3.5 lot. Right now. That's where it would be. 313113. Let's see. In the boo. All right, we're gonna take it, boys. I just bought. If anybody wants to send the trade to me personally through Discord so I can send it. Typically when I send the trade, it don't hit. I fucking take it on live stream without sending it. Fucking they're bangers. I fucking send them and they just don't hit. In the booze. I'm actually gonna put my stop loss a little bit beneath this 31313 area. Official stop loss number 1.31220. 1.31.
Oh man, bought a big bass boat. When I think of that song, oh by a joke. Even if we didn't catch a little bit,
Took me 15 years to boom.
park that boat by the boat at the bay.
You're glad that this week is over. We still got tomorrow. We still got today and tomorrow, boys. So leave me out of that. Glad this week is over. Not trading tomorrow. Damn, dude. Don't fucking melt out on me right now.
Screen door crack, ball game on. Man on the porch singing baritone. Tan line leads to that gentle place between a collarbone and a stone cold face.
No, you pieces of shit. Oh, Jesus Christ. All right, so we have news coming up in an hour and 7 minutes. So in an hour and 7 minutes, I need to find myself a support level, find a bullish confirmation, and have it run past resistance. I mean, we have time. I'm not too scared about the drawdown, specifically because we have these SMAs right here, which can easily just reject us. Now, this hourly candlestick closes in 7 minutes. I golly damn need this to close quick. You know, I don't want to see this in 7 minutes go all the way down and create a huge body. If anything, I need to act like it's going bearish, and then I need it to flip bullish before the candlestick closes, and then we get a new hourly open, no bottom wick, continuation to the top. That's what we need. So let's fucking pray for this to not fall while the candlestick is still open, because when we get our hourly closure, that will help us. I'm pretty sure. Woo! Stop! Gold flew 100 pips and back down. That's the annoying part about it. That's why I always just take my profit whenever I want to. I don't really double think though. Oh, we should have hold. Damn! That's what the dollar wants to do? That's how you feel? That's not good. I need to make sure that there is a wick fill of this to the downside, please. Don't stop the music. Why would I stop the music? I don't get it.
lost my money to some dirty old bookie way up in Philly. He was a bad man. You can't bet your life on the table when you've got yourself a bad hand. So I went and got my good friend Mickey, and we made ourselves a bold stand.
GU rocket soon. I feel the rocket coming. We just need the hour. I'm telling you, if this hourly candlestick closes a little bit like less strong, it's pretty strong bearish candlestick. If it closes weak, oof, the next hourly candlestick we should be in a good position. Honestly, I'm expecting a little bit of drawdown. I expect drawdown in my trades. That's why I mean, like, not like your other traders that are like 10 pip stop loss, 15 pip stop loss. You get the next candlestick doesn't go into their favor and their trade's dead. Many of my trades, the candlestick doesn't need to go into my favor for my trade to be dead or alive. You know, it's very irrelevant. All this movement that happens between my trades. I always put stop losses where I think they're valid. See, pips, if I think it's 30, 40 pips, I'm putting the 30, 40 pips, man. I'm putting my stop loss where I don't think price will hit. Right? Or else there's no point of putting it there. If you know that price will hit that area, there's no point in putting it there. So if I know that I have a bearish candlestick, if I have a bearish candlestick, I know that this is going to get hit. I know that most likely this is going to get hit, but I don't know about these levels down here. Patrick said I got You're so funny, Patrick. I love the honesty, though. That means he's doing good. He ain't afraid. What I want is this to just rip like we've never seen before. A real skyrocket.
So if you got the time, I've got the quarter and a two-stepping song called Hey.
The great American bar scene. Do 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 do. Two women, they know we're gonna be their wife. American boy.
I've tried like hell to keep my health, treat others well, and understand. While
Let's be real while we still can. Would I ever trade on a US regulated broker? Yeah, why not? I'll trade on anything, boys. You put me on a goddamn... You can put me on MT3 and I'll be able to trade. Put me on goddamn... Man, just put me to read the numbers on a fucking pen and paper and I'll be able to read. Just gotta let me know the price action. Price action is king. Good morning. You want to say good morning like you always do? Come here. Come here. Yes, good morning. Good morning. I know. I know you want to go play. I know that you want to go say hi to your friends. I know, Papa. We'll play soon, okay? It's rainy outside. Back up. Get out. Hey, bro. Hey, Nico. They're saying hey to you, Papa. Yeah, you're so warm. This guy's the best to just lay down and cuddle with. Barksville attendance. Oh my god. You better fly. Please, you better fly. It looks like we're going through drawdown. We're probably going through drawdown. Stop line. They say hello every time. No concern for politics. Come on home, I'll check the text. Bro, play some good songs. You don't like Zach Bryan? This is amazing songs. What is wrong with you? Badass, you forgot to send the fucking signal.
Was a boy who was a dreamer
Omar said Omar is not happy right now. But Omar said, Omar, this trade's going to go into drawdown right now. I assure you it will go into drawdown, so there's nothing to worry. Look, Baras. This is who's been singing those songs. He was in the Navy for like 13 years and he was in the Navy. He had to leave because he got so famous making off these songs. Now he's like one of America's heroes. Because he's just so good at just telling stories, playing his guitar, and being real. He a beast. In the booze.
They will understand the words that are poured from your mouth. And I dream he called his daddy, tell him what he did. The masses scream the lyrics
Of the messed up kid.
And then he told his daddy,
You're never coming back. You couldn't be found in a town like that.
He surely came to learn. People come to watch you fall. That dreamers out, make a name and fool out of them all. And they'll never understand that boy.
Oh, this looks great right here. For if is this guy here that I was teaching the continuation candlestick, I think it's KB. Bullish, bullish, bullish continuation. This should be bullish, man. Should be.
They will understand the words that are poured from your mouth. Don't stop. Go south. 'Cause they'll let you play your music real.
He says learning mates. Yes, I just wanted to point out that a lot of people would take a sell due to this candlestick right here. This is actually confirmation for bullish for me. This right here. Doesn't mean it's going to play out 100% of the time, but I mean it is playing out right now.
So pack the car and dry your eyes.
4 hour no bottom wick. That's good for buys. It's good till it's not good. I need water.
So clean the house, clear the drawers, mop the floors, stand tall like no one's ever been here before or at all. And don't you mention all the inches that are scraped on the door frame.
Don't stop heading south.
Backing away. If you could see him now, you'd be proud, but you think days yuppies. Your funeral was beautiful.
I bet God heard you coming.
Kids are in town for a funeral, and the grass all smells the same as the day you broke your arm swinging on that kid out on the river. You bailed him out, never said a thing about Jesus or the way he's living. If you could see him now, you'd be proud, but you'd think days yuppie. Your funeral was beautiful.
I think God heard you coming.
If you could see him now, you'd be proud, or you'd think days yuppie. Your funeral was beautiful. I think I heard you coming. kids are in town for a funeral. So pack the car and dry your eyes.
I know they got plenty of young blood left in them. Can GU please fly? Fly, GU. Come on, give it to us. Go, 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 go. So, it is very circumstantial. I'm a very, very, very strong believer in that. Those people who literally say, we're in profit, stops the break. Like, that's stupid. That is stupid, 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 stupid. You don't put stop loss to break even unless you at least minimum hit your 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. And at that point, it still really depends on the setup. If you continue now to be proud, boy, you think they should be. Oh, it was beautiful. I think God heard you coming.
And I always felt like I was in between something like home and somewhere far away.
True words only. Fly, bitch! Give it to me.
Smoke sheeping out your bloody teeth, be your home song.
Oh, this is like one of my favorite songs. Doom, 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 doom. Damn, I need to use the restroom again. 1 second.
There's delays on the plains out of eastern Montana where you told me you were leaving from. You've been stabbed in the back and the rest of your body. Won't you tell me where you're bleeding from? If you need a tourniquet or if you want to turn and quit, know that I'll be by your side. Bled your whole soul into things you can't control in a world you'll never satisfy. Bandage up your body and your bones and your band-aids too. Take care of the blood that your love runs through. I know all the damage that some days in this dark world does. You laughing last evening, something I dreamed of. When you finally feel the blood you spill into everybody else, I turn and kick your toes to your crown. Pull you in and hold you tight, love you through the hard nights, bring your kind ass in town. You've been playing your guitar from arenas to the bar since you were old enough to rhyme a word. But your face is getting thinner and you're praying for the winter, and I heard you fucked it up with her. I bandage up your body, your bones and your band-aids too. Take care of the blood that your love runs through. I know all the things that some days in this dark world. You laughing last evening, something I dreamed of. Bandage up your body and your bones and your band-aids too. Take care of the blood that your love runs through. I know all the things some days in this dark world. Was you laughing last evening, something I dreamed of? There's delays on the plains out of eastern Montana where you told me you were leaving from. You've been stabbed in the back and the rest of your body. Won't you tell me where you're bleeding from?
I'm alive, boys. GJ's business now. What? It returned? Almost. You was laughing at me now like the now greens.
Been keeping me awake, trying to build an empire. Rail tire worker, I've been laying tires on cold ground, but I'm leaving this. I saw you in my dreams last night. You had a Van grin framed by a suit and tie. You were saying you were out of here. Your breath framed by a cocaine beer. I'm alive, boys. Who'd have thought she would ruin you and leave your whole damn family in shambles too? I got a call from your mom months back saying I wish he didn't leave town like that. I wish he didn't go out like that. But love's gonna bring you home. Even God didn't see it coming. No matter where you're at, we'll always find a way back. We'll always find a way back. We'll always find a way back.
Do, 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 do.
Talking poison to some
Talking
killer
poison,
songs,
some old killer
romance,
songs,
tram
romance,
down,
trams down, down, Kodachrome.
bumper sticker to the back right, state champs 83 through 85.
85.
She's smoking cigarettes in the kitchen. Tom and Jerry's on the front room television. She always sat under the oak tree saying, God, I miss the old me.
God, I miss the old me.
Miss the old me. Love's gonna bring you home. Even God didn't see it coming. No matter where you're at.
Come on, can you fly for me? Give us a great date. Give us like a great star right here. So we see we are up chum change right now. Literally chum change. Golly.
Baseball in the fall with a warm look. The leaves might change, but the roots stuck. Them shoes still hang on the top wire. Say I don't miss it, but I hate it. Saw you in my dreams last night. You had a Van grin framed by a suit and tie. Token poison to some killer song. Your old man.
You was laughing at me now like the now green.
Your old man's Trans Am and Kodachrome. Your old man's Trans Am and Kodachrome.
Your old man's Trans Am and Kodachrome. Your old man's Trans Am and Kodachrome.
This on plane ride home.
The love is gonna bring you. Not yet, Lumalo. It's trying to. It's trying to pay up. It's not really giving in yet.
Just to keep me up at night.
Ooh, go GU, please. Give us something to look at. Chat, come on. It's a heartbreak warfare. Love is in the air. It's a heartbreak war. Have you guys been liking the music I've been putting, or you guys get bored and feel like going to sleep? It's pretty hard probably for you Europeans out there. This is like classic like American. It's not like rock, but it's just classic like American. I don't know. I know Bottas is fucking, his ears are bleeding out. Get the fuck away from me. I'm not ready to go out yet, Nico. He's laughing at me now like now green. Clouds are sulfur in the air. Bombs are falling everywhere. It's heartbreak warfare. Once you want it to begin, no one really ever wins. Heartbreak warfare. If you want more love, why don't you say so? If you want more love, why don't you say so? Just say so. How come the only way to know how high you get me is to see how far I fall? God only knows how much I love you if you let me, but I can't break through it all. It's a heartbreak. I don't care if we don't sleep at all tonight. Let's just fix this whole thing now. I swear to God we're gonna get it right if you lay your weapon down. I wish he didn't. All right, you gonna pass this challenge with this trade? Question mark. I don't know about this trade because there's not a lot of volatility. I don't know what New York session has packed for us. But I mean, we're holding. We're up fucking chump change, but we're holding. Hey, stop scratching yourself. We're not ready to go out yet. I'm in a trade. It's You will always find your way back. You will always find your way back. Oh. I mean, we're in profit, boys. If we were Don Vo, we'd fucking say that we have had a successful trade, but y'all know that we don't Don Vo stuff out here. Wanna know who's probably having a great time? This motherfucker Patrick Cook. Because he says he had a 7-pip stop loss. That means 7 pips was probably his like 1%. Or at least 0.5%. Which means dude's up right now. He's probably like shaking. He's like, I need to close! Patrick, close! Close, boy! You about to... Oh! Oh, Patrick! Am I getting you nervous now, Patrick? Oh, it's about to turn around, Patrick! Oh my God, Patrick, it's about to turn around. Patrick, it's now or never. You gotta close. You gotta close. Back up, back up. Please back up.
Baby, you're the only light I ever saw. I make the most of all the sadness. You be a bitch because you can.
Amazing gold trade. Exile. Your old man's Trans Am and Kodachrome. We will have 1, 2, 3, 4 successful days in a row. Yeah. Your old man's Trans Am and Kodachrome.
Ain't had nowhere to go, nigga. I was lost in them streets running. Then I hit Rodeo just to get stylish, ran through 300. Just happy I did it, nigga. Nobody ever gave me none. Flexing so hard, I might pull a muscle, but I just keep stunning. 30 in the mag, you get body bagged. I'm just gonna keep
Patrick, it's turning around. Patrick close. Whenever my friends trade in the same room as me, I always start tripping them out, panicking them out. I'll tell you for sure though, if Patrick decides to close his trade right now, it will fly. If Patrick decides to hold this trade, we're probably going back to break even. Mark my words. If Patrick decides to close, we will fly. If he doesn't, we are going back to break even. You will always find your way back. She can't date me cause her daddy's from Iran. I just caught a brick of heroin from Pakistan. She gon' fuck me like a star. Risking 95% to make 1. Trader. Risking 95% just to make 1% ass trader. Got a decent Dow Jones long. I'm trying to hold this short. You was laughing at me now like the now greens too.
Yo, hey, can you call the boys up real quick and see if we can shoot this video for Ed?
I wrote a letter to myself in the form of a song I can play when the sun shines. I know better than to trust anything that I say to myself when I'm this high.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey.
I don't ever want to fall when I'm this high. Chat, I'm a little bored, eh? Fuck is happening with these charts that don't move during my session? We got 3 freaking news sources back to back to back, and we still got no movement. Chat, come on. .35 up. Yes, sir. That is true. A little bit more. I'm up 400 bucks. Buckaroonies. If I close right now, I'm up 5% on the challenge. Where the mister? Where the mister? I just looked in the mirror like, who is this girl? Why you got your nose up? I smell like Guns N' Roses.
Okay, that's a wrap on the A video. Honorary mention, Bass. His dance moves aren't exactly what we needed for this film.
1%.
He's here in speed. He's here in speed. That's him playing the guitar right there. So you know.
We're halfway to take profit. Yo, I'm not sure if this guy noticed. Anton, I'm in GU, not GJ, bruh. This boy Anton putting up the take profits for GJ, putting up... Boy, this is GU. Anton, what you doing? Hey, bro, I trade GJ too. Anton, you about to get clapped. Clapped. Like Megan Thee Stallion's cheeks. Venezuela Libre. Do I just close, chat? I close and we're up 5% on the account. Gotta love some Meg cheeks. Oh yeah. Sexy Red's left cheek. Megan's right cheek. What else do you need? Hey. Wait for me. I'm not done with my trade. I know we should be going to the park by now. High key, this song is fire. Not gonna cap. Oh, did I just fast forward it? Right here. Okay. Oh, stop. She was a star. It just gets me going, this song. It's pretty hot that she knows how to talk the way she's talking.
Exotic Hermes, this a crop. Watch too expensive, ain't no way I'm getting clapped. I think I'm so sexy, every shirt I own is cropped. So many carrots, diamonds do the bunny hop. And the US or Japan. If he meet me, he gon' bow. I got yen for your friends. If they pretty, bring them out. Growing dumb and Madam Woo. Pouring sake in they mouth. Told him put me on his plate. Bring them chopsticks to the south. I get money, I'm a star. Star, 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 star. I get money, I'm a star. Star, 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 star.
お金稼ぐ俺らはスター。
お金稼ぐ私はスター。
スタースタースタースターキラキラ私はスター。流れる星たちどこに向かう。
You was laughing at me now like the now greens.
スターたちが集まったスタジオ。夜な夜な酒たくさん並ぶアジト。さっきまで六本木で収録ラジオ。そっからテレビ撮影するはしご。カメラたち追いかけてる俺たちを。大好きピカピカのダイヤ。暗いとこ輝いてる毎晩。Nice to meet you する挨拶。I'm so happy ありがたいな。
I get money, I'm a star. Star, 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 star. I get money, I'm a star. Star, 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 star.
お金稼ぐ俺らはスター。
お金稼ぐ私はスター。
スタースタースタースターキラキラ
私はスター。
Hey, monster on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a free throw, man down, Carla Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo, what's up with
You close out on your US 30 long? Come on, GU, push this a little more.
I mean, it's too many options, I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walk him down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pole on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 wop. That fuck him up. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us. 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 You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul. I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches. Go. The audience not dumb. Shape the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep. I can go further, I promise. Ain't that something? Be rest that's for bitching. You Malibu most wanted. Ain't no law boy, you ball boy. Fresh Gatorade or something. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas will get a wedgie. Be flipped over your boxes or over your foe. The other vaginal option.
Alright, I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it and dip. There's nothing much more me needing to do here. It's not a volatile London session, New York session. This looks short as balls. I'd go for GJ shorts. Especially, yeah, GJ shorts all day. If you're in a GJ long, get the fuck out. You're gonna get clapped. Oof, push, push, push.
Fresh pack of side, ay, city is back up, it's a must, we outside, ay. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. Once upon a time, all of us was in chains. Homie still double down, calling us some slaves. Atlanta was the mecca, building railroads and trains. Bear with me for a second, let me put y'all on game. The settlers was using town folk to make them richer. Fast forward 2024, you got the same agenda. You run to Atlanta when you need a check. check balance. Let me break it down for you. This the real nigga challenge. You caught Future when you didn't see the club. Like, what? Little baby, help you get your lingo up. What? 21?
Come on, GU, man. All right, chat. This is the update. Up to the moment, we are risking 1%. We've had successful trading days back to back to back. I wish I could just close this in profit and then be like, oh, we won, but we're not Donvo. I'm gonna hold my position. I'm gonna hold the same stop loss if I update, which I probably won't. Anything, I will let you guys know on Discord. There's not a lot to be caught here. Not a lot to be traded. I mean, it's not as volatile as I thought it would be.
Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Let me hear you say OV ho. Say OV ho. Then step this way, step that way, then step this way, step that way.
Yeah. Trade play out. Holding stop loss, no take profit. Just
step this way, step that way.
Turn my headphone down a little bit. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
chat.
Yeah.
Who's holding this trade right now? Who's holding this trade or any similar trades right now? Lumelo, there is no short scalp on GJ. I mean on GU. You gotta ignore those little distractions. Focus on the bigger picture. GJ still going up? No, GJ is going down. GJ's going down. All right. We still got people holding GU very intelligently. Smart, smart, smart. Don't get scared. If we were going to melt, we would have melted already. This is a faking a double bottom, and then we're just going to break past this resistance, and then we're going to, you know. But I don't believe that we're actually going to just melt here. That doesn't make sense. All right, chat. I'm going to continue with my day. I love you all. I adore you all. We have been successful on Monday, successful on Tuesday, successful on Wednesday. It looks like Thursday is going to be another successful day. That's how we do it, boys. Nothing new here. Nothing new here. There we go. We're breaking the double top. All right, I love you, chat. Peace. Vaya con Dios. Muchas gracias. Saludos. Chao. Bonaventura. Peace out, KB. Peace out, Prod by Cap. Legends. See you later. Paras. Anton. Lumelo. Patrick. Slick. Anus. Exile. Love you all. Nice. See you, Sagar. See you, Xandar. Oh wow, GU's gonna melt now, bro.